In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hand over your site to clients with Wix Studio. We will walk through the process of transferring ownership of a Wix Studio site so your client can take full control of the project when it's ready. This is a simple but important final step, especially if you finished building the site and want to make sure the client has the proper access going forward. To begin, log into your Wix account and go to your list of sites. From there, select the Studio site you want to hand over. Make sure you are choosing the correct project before moving on, since ownership changes affect that specific site. Once you click into the site, Wix will take you to the dashboard for that project. This dashboard is where you manage the site's settings, access, and other important tools. If you are not already familiar with this area, take a moment to confirm that you are inside the right site. Before continuing, next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Settings. This is where Wix stores the main configuration options for the site. After the Settings panel opens, scroll down until you reach the General section and then find Roles and Permissions. This area controls who has access to the site and what level of control they have. Inside Roles and Permissions, click Change Owner. This is the option that officially starts the handover process. Wix will then ask you to enter the client's email address. Be sure to use the correct email address the client can access, since this is where the ownership transfer invitation will be sent. After entering the email, categorize the person as a client. This helps keep the account role organized properly within Wix. Then confirm the transfer. At that point, Wix will send the client a prompt asking them to accept ownership of the site. One important thing to remember is that the transfer is not fully complete until the client accepts that invitation. So if they don't see it right away, you may want to remind them to check their inbox and any spam or promotions folders as well. And that's it. Once they accept, the site ownership is officially handed over, and your client will be in control of the project from their side. Thanks for watching.